Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the Discord application is not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type task MGR, click on it under the best match. Now we need to completely close any Discord processes from here. So once you find Discord, make a right click, select End Task. And once done, close the Task Manager window and you can launch the game after that. Then, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window for the next method. Type here percentage app data percentage. Then you have to click on OK. Look for the Discord folder. Click on it, make a right click, select Delete. Now, after you have deleted the Discord folder, close this, and then double click on the Discord desktop icon. Let's see if this will launch the application. So as you can see, this is starting and opening the application. So let's just wait for this to completely open. So Discord is up. So here you just need to simply sign in with your email or phone number and your password and log in with your Discord account. For the next method is we can also run the application as an administrator. So locate the Discord icon, make a right click, select run as administrator. Most of the time this will work. So as you can see, it has opened the application. Then we can also temporarily disable the antivirus of our Windows. If you are using the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then we need to temporarily disable that. Click on the Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar. Now right-click at Malwarebytes, select Quit Malwarebytes. Click on the Windows Security icon too. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and you'll find Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then launch the application. And after the application has been launched, just simply enable that again because that is a very important security of your Windows. We also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is not outdated. So right click at the Start button, select Device Manager in the list of options. Now here in the Device Manager window, locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Make a right click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this windows. And do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will check, download, and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once you're updated, just restart your Windows and after that, launch the game. We can also reset the network settings. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, type these commands. NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. NATSH space INT space IP space reset. Next command, IP config space / release, hit enter. Next command, IP config space / renew, hit enter. Then IP config space / flush DNS, hit enter. And then type exit, hit enter, and then restart your Windows afterwards and launch the game. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Wait for all the applications to load. Once you find Discord, click on the three dots, select Uninstall, and then uninstall once again. Now once uninstalled, we need to reinstall it. So open any of your favorite browser or any browser that you are using on your Windows. Then type here in the search bar, Discord download. Hit enter. Scroll down, you'll find the official website of Discord, discord.com. Click on that. Click on that. Then simply click this download for Windows. So this is for Windows 10 and higher, Windows 11 and more or higher. And the installer file will be downloaded. So let's just wait for this. Once done, click on it and close the Edge browser. So this is now installing the application. So this is now starting the application. So now Discord has been launched and it has been opened. So from here, what you can do, just simply sign in with your email or phone number and your password. Click on login and enjoy the Discord to talk and chat with your friends and your loved ones. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.